We live in a world where screens are everywhere, in our hands, on our desk, in our pockets, and increasingly in our children's lives. Studies across the world are telling us the same story. And with that dependence, we are witnessing a quiet shift. Declining attention spans, reduced social interaction, sleep disruptions, and slowly a loss of confidence in young minds. But childhood was never meant to be lived through a screen. Childhood is meant to be touched, explored, imagined, and lived fully. As a company deeply committed to children's well being and advocates of a screen free childhood, we asked ourselves an important question: how can we build products that truly support the way children should grow? The answer became the foundation of everything. We create products designed across 6 essential pillars of a child's well being. But we didn't want to build these ideas alone. So we invited educators, child specialists, and industry experts to experience our products firsthand. We listened, we learned, and we refined every detail based on their insights and expertise.
We make screen-free childhood as our purpose at large. So, screen-free childhood became the purpose for Pegasus. And then when we started talking to parents, they understood that this is a problem that many parents have. Not one, but almost all parents had the same problem, that we don't know that screens can actually be so much more damaging than just eyesight.
Because building meaningful products require more than ideas. It requires people who deeply believe in the mission.
In India especially, parents are becoming very mindful about screen time and emotional well-being of their child.
Today's parents seek thoughtful tools that nurture real engagement, not just passive entertainment. And screen-free and mindful learning is no longer a niche in today's world, and it is becoming a mainstream expectation. And we are very proud to be at the forefront.
And we felt a clear responsibility to address the rising dependency on screens. Parents everywhere looking for healthy alternatives, and Pegasus wanted to lead that movement with solutions.
I would like to say that the way we approach is what a child actually deserves, what the child may actually need, or what the parent might be looking are the questions we keep asking ourselves every day.
The result is a collection of thoughtfully designed experiences that bring curiosity, creativity, learning, and connection back into childhood. Products created not to occupy children, but to help them grow. Because the future our children deserve is not brighter screens, but brighter childhoods. Pegasus is building a screen-free childhood, one meaningful product at a time.